Saintly personalities are very straightforward. Their business is to enlighten people, not to entertain people. When we kind of speak in a diplomatic way, so to say, because we want to please others. But does the teacher in a class try to be diplomatic with the students? He is straightforward. He says 2 plus 2 is 4. If some students say, why not 5? The teacher, does he say, well, maybe because you are thinking that, maybe. No, teacher just gives it straight. 2 plus 2 is 4. So that is the business of a teacher. So saintly personalities are teachers. The preachers are teachers. Of course, the preachers sometimes have to see things, or present things in a way that the other person can digest, not entertain, but digest. Like a doctor, he knows to what degree the medicine should be given. If you give too hard a dose, then the patient might have adverse effect. So that is the business of a teacher. Like he's like a doctor or a preacher. He's like a doctor. He knows to what dose one should digest it.